Another car has been murdered. This time the victim arrived trailing a cloud of black smoke behind it, like a guilty accomplice. The fuel consumption had doubled. The exhaust smelled heavily of raw fuel. A rich mixture? Definitely. But who was responsible? Was it the oxygen sensor? A faulty mat? Or maybe a leaking injector? The fuel trims showed minus 25%. The ECU was removing fuel aggressively. The oxygen sensor confirmed the mixture was rich. Oxygen sensors report crimes. They rarely commit them. Airflow readings were perfectly normal, which left only one suspect. A leaking fuel injector dripping fuel into the cylinder. Too much fuel, too little oxygen. The engine drowned in its own mixture. Case closed.